Well, good morning, Williams, Philippines. It's actually about 1 o'clock on PM, Friday, May 2nd, 2025, 5225. Yeah, it's one of those. Anyway, morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. This is Williams, Philippines. Boy, hold up and yeah. I've rented a hotel room. Actually, as soon as I get off here, I'll be getting the second one. One in Dallas, one in the Philippines. So, yay. Yeah, it is what it is. Getting closer. And I need to talk to my real estate agent too. It's been kind of slow. It is what it is. Uh, Hope the weather next Thursday and Friday holds off and isn't bad. I got a reschedule on the motorcycle class for the 2 day job. So, yay. It is what it is. Hopefully, I'll get that taken care of and be able to get some more stuff done. Mm, I'm tired. Got all these bags of trash sitting in my living room ready to go out. Probably should try to go get them, but alleyway's mud slick. Yeah, not good. Probably try to do that when I get back from the Ham Radio Fest sale. Try and run it down there and then go get my car washed and then call it. Yeah, gonna be getting going through the alley getting muddy. I'm gonna have to go to the car wash. I don't want to be dragging that stuff everywhere. It's not good for the vehicle. Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm a bit tired. I really just want sleep. It's been one of those days. Ain't really got much to say today. Need to get things taken care of here and some more stuff loaded out in the morning and run over and try and sell it and then try to get back here, get everything loaded back in here that doesn't sell there. Yeah. I don't know. I think I'm going to just leave a bunch of it there and let people walk off with it or throw it in the trash can. I don't know. I know it has value. It's kind of like question is, where does it have value at? You know, oh, sorry. It's been fairly busy. Dang, I'm tired. Anyway, this is Williams, Philippines. I guess this is more of a place marker for the day. It's yeah, it's a good thing to be getting things done. But yeah, the and my body's fighting me. It's as to whether I should be awake or asleep half the time. Part of the time I feel all full of energy in the middle of the night, and then I feel half wore out and can't do nothing. Don't want to do anything in the middle of the night. Like I should be sleeping then. And then during the day, I'm, you know, some days I feel like I'm, you know, got full of energy. I'm ready to face the whole day and be up until dark. And then other days, yeah, I'm definitely ready to go to sleep by noon. It is what it is. Anyway, Williams, Philippines, come along for the ride. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. And again, more food. I hope you have a blessed day. I hope you enjoy your weekend and that it's a easy, good one for you. Anyway, fish out. Later. Bye bye.